Guess who's back? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It has been 8 months since I've recorded, maybe 9. I know it's been a minute, you guys. So I am rusty as F. But we're gonna try to push through this. So I'm sure y'all are wondering, girl, where have you been? Well, where have I been? Like I said, I haven't recorded a video in 8 months. So let me give you a brief background and then we're gonna get into this wig review. So first of all, oh, I forgot to do my just one key. Just one key. Just one key. So anyways, you guys, in late 2018, I lost my job. So I was 6 months without a job. So I was still recording during that time. But then after the 6 months, I found another job. So due to me having to go through training and everything with that new job, I basically had to put my YouTube channel on the back burner and concentrate on this job. I had to go through 2 weeks of training and all kinds of stuff. So it was a lot. So I just couldn't find the time to record any videos. And basically, I've just been working. So now that we are in quarantine with this coronavirus epidemic, and oh my gosh, you guys, my prayers go out to everybody around the world who's been affected by this. It's been a sad, very scary, very trying ordeal. So now I've been in quarantine. My job gave us a few days off, so I haven't been working. So I'm like, well, it's the perfect time to get back on here and record and just show you guys that I'm still here. I do miss you guys, but I had to kind of put my YouTube channel on the back burner because I wasn't generating any money from this. So I had to put first, you know, what was making money, which was my primary job. And my YouTube channel is still my baby, but the numbers just aren't going up. So I just had to put it to the side. Don't get me wrong, I never did it for numbers. I never did it to make money. I do it because I love it. I did it because I love doing it. I love showing you guys new wigs and new makeup products and all those good things. But I just couldn't find the time to balance that out and do it. So this was the perfect time. Anyways, you guys, I am back in the saddle. I don't know for how long, but I did think that it was okay for me to just dip in for a little bit to give you guys a little bit of a review on a wig. So I have been buying so many different units since I haven't been making any videos, and some of them have come, some of them have gone, some of them I still have. But I purchased so many wigs and I'm so behind because I haven't been doing any videos. I have so many wigs that I want to show you guys, but I probably won't be able to. But I'll show you a few during this quarantine time. So now that I talked your head off, let me get into this wig review that I'm showing you guys. So this is by Red Carpet Premiere, and she is the V-Cut Perfection lace front unit. Her name is RCV206 Vani, V-A-N-I. And I have Vani in the color of Vani in the color F1B/30. And this wig came from my local beauty supply store. On the card, it says it was originally $49.99. I paid $9.99 for this unit. I love me a good deal. She came straight off the mannequin. Basically, it was brand new. And I snatched her up. And this wig, like I said, is the V-cut perfection. So she goes into a V-cut in the back. And she is a very long wig. I might say almost 30 inches. I'm not 100% sure. But this is what this girl is looking like. A dirty old long water wave. And you can see a little bit of the 30 throughout the hair. The quality of this hair, surprisingly, is very nice. I wouldn't recommend wearing this wig to work because of the simple fact that it's so long, it's synthetic, it will tangle. She is to be worn as a center part, and I'm not a center part type of girl. But this one, surprisingly, gives me good life. I plucked the parting already. And, of course, cut the lace off. But this is her. So what we're going to do is put her on so you can see what she's looking like. Alright guys, so this is the Miss Vani on my head. Let me give you guys a 360. And when I tell you this girl is long, she is very long, but she is so cute. I didn't say at the beginning, but she is your basic cap construction. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps, and of course the moldable ear tabs. But she's comfortable on my head, which is good. She's not too tight, so she is big head friendly. But this girl is a banger, and I don't do middle parts. So what I did is reapplied some powder in the parting area, and she looks good. If you want to be extra and, you know, cut the front and get you some baby hairs to make it look more realistic, you can do that. But this girl to me is a winner, and I don't usually go for this type of hair, like this pattern. If you go back on any of my videos, this is something new for me. But hey, give you a look at the stock card once again. And I'm going to go see if I can find this wig online and leave you some links below on where you can purchase this wig. Like I said, I purchased this from my local beauty supply store for $9.99. Yes, baby. Woo! You see it. Anyways, you guys, it was fun getting back in the saddle, and I'm going to try to do a few more videos. But tell me what you guys think of this, and tell me that you are happy to see me back on camera giving it to the people. Anyways, you guys, I hope to see you guys again in another video. Deuces!